Hi, just going to give you a quick video to show you or to explain the performance periods indicator for TradeStation. This is basically just a quick tool to see how stock, ETF, whatever you want to look at, has performed over various periods of time. And they're listed here: last 5 days, month to date, the last month, the last 3 months, 6 months, year to date, 12 months, and there's also a custom period you can create for whatever time period you want to look at if one of those is not covered already. And the indicator works for RadarScreen and the scanner. And if you have any questions, here's the email and the website. And also would urge you to pause the video right here and just read through this. This is basically the legal information. Basically, we're saying everything we do is for educational purposes only. There's no trading advice, no recommendations to buy or sell anything. Everything you do is you are fully responsible for all your actions with respect to trading or investing, so we urge you to get the advice from the appropriate professionals before you proceed. Okay, just have the have the radar screen pulled up here with the performance period indicator, and you can see how it looks. I've just got a bunch of ETFs and a few stocks pulled up here, so you can see basically we have the last 5 days, month to date, should just be from the opening of the first trading day of the current month. Last 1 month would be from today backwards to the basically the same date as close as possible. Of course, it could be on a weekend or something, but as close as possible. So the last month, same thing, but last 3 months, last 6 months, year to date. So the first trading day of the year until the current date, and then the last 12 months is the basically looking from today 12 months back to the same date or as close as possible, and then the custom column. And so you can just see how things have done. Usually, I don't know, there's obviously you can use this for whatever you want, but sometimes there's just I kind of use it as an idea to see which sectors are trading the strongest. Like maybe you want to look back like the last month, sort these in order, and you can see, well, we got Facebook in here, so that's done well. Netflix has done well. Chinese ETF stocks, oil, those have what's done well the last month. And maybe you want to see what's been good the last 3 months. So again, we can sort this. Again, Facebook, Netflix, Google. Let's see what gold is the one that's done well. And so you can just see, and then obviously what's done the worst. If you're looking for seeing where the strength is or where the money is leaving, this is kind of maybe one way to do that. And again, you can customize this period over here. So if we want to just say get that, get the inputs, and you can see here's the custom length indicator. Right now it's set to 10. This would be 10 days. It's on a daily chart. This works on a daily chart. And you can also change the number if to see the positive percentages or the negative percentages, if you want to change that from green and red. And you can just set this length. I don't know if you cared about the last 5 days, you could do that. Say OK, boom. So now we have the things that have the last 5 days, and so there you go. So pretty much that's it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It just shows you the percentages. And again, you could this works in RadarScreen or the scanner. Obviously, you could put this in the scanner, and you could look for things that have, say, been over the last month, say over 10%, and so that way the scanner would show you just these. So if you just want to look for big performers over the last whatever period you're interested in, you could set this field in the scanner, and then run the scan for whatever symbols you're interested in. You could find the strength or weakness that way. If you want to see what's done poorly over a certain period, again, you could do the same thing, put it in the scanner, search for this field, and then get the results that you're looking for. So hopefully this has been useful, and there's a trial period for this, so give it a try, see what you think. And if you have any questions, again, you can the email address is at the start of this video, so you can send me an email. Thanks. Bye.